Welcome to Dasgeek. So I'm excited about this video because one of my favorite things that I have started to love with Linux is the customization capabilities, and they are immense. And depending on the distribution you utilize, you're going to see more and more options out there than what you've had ever before in a Windows or Mac operating system. So one of the ways, if you're following along with the Ubuntu 30 Days of Linux challenge, for you to start looking into some of those tweaks is to download the Unity Tweak tool. And you can get that really easily by just going to the Ubuntu Software Center, this little icon down here, clicking on the Unity Tweak tool, or typing it in the search right here, and it's going to pull up this tool, and you're just going to click install. Doesn't get any easier than that. Once you have that up and running, you've got all kinds of options to start utilizing right away to customize this and make it your own. And what I love is the more you start playing with these options, the more you can start incorporating Linux into your daily workflow. So for instance, I don't like my launcher over here. It's just a personal preference. So I can go in here into launcher and I can change it from the left-hand side of my screen down to the bottom. I can change my colors to be based on my wallpaper or custom color. I can change the animations, the way things wiggle, pulse, whatever they want, whatever I want them to do, I can change that effect. You've got search, panel switchers, web apps. You can take away the pre-authorized Amazon or Ubuntu One if you want. You can customize your search, panel switchers. Of course, for your desktop, you just right-click and change background, just like in Windows. Very, very simple. You can change your cursor, and you can see these changes right on the fly. Now, the one thing I'll mention with themes is be careful with your themes, because certain themes, especially in different distributions, if you load, especially if you're loading non-default themes, can end up having impacts. Like I installed a non-default theme and it ended up removing the text from GIMP. So when I would highlight over an icon or something, I couldn't see the text. So make sure that once you make some of these changes, you're marking down what you're changing so you can go back if you start seeing an issue in one of your programs and change it back. So I can go from ambiance to the radiance. So normally I like the dark theme, but I actually like that real clean white theme right there. That's really nice. Okay, so we'll leave that. But that's how you can do some basic tweaks. And you've seen how many options we had there, right? I mean, you can change, you could do the window snapping, the hot corners. So we can go ahead and play with hot corners here for a second. Let's window spread. If we go into this corner, that's the snap and that's the window spread. So now that hot corner brings all of my windows up here when I click on that. So that is just really, really cool. So Unity Tweak Tool, one of the many ways you can get in and start playing with Linux and really making it your own, changing cursors, the way things interact, and really how you navigate through your operating system. I absolutely love it. If you get into like a KDE distribution, download Kubuntu or one of those other distributions, which I think we'll start getting into in some videos here soon, then you may have even more customizational options, including like widgets and things in Linux Mint, for instance, that you can add for clocks and weather and all of that stuff. So there's so many fun things you can do with Linux. So we're on week 3 now. Things are going fantastic. You guys have been incredibly supportive. So I want to do a giveaway. I want to all the revenue, right, that I've made from ads. A lot of you guys aren't using ad blockers, so I'm getting ad revenue from this, about maybe $25 worth. So I thought, why not give away in the honor of open source software and giving back to the community? You guys have given so much. Give away a $25 movie gift card, Fandango. So no purchase necessary. All you have to do is comment below, and I will do a live random picker on anybody who comments on this specific video, and we will have send somebody in the mail $25 Fandango gift card. Go see a movie, save it for Star Wars, something cool like that. So thank you guys so much. I hope you've enjoyed the video. This is just a quick tutorial on how you can customize things and make Linux your own. Until next time, get out there and fill your brains.
Don't get subscribed. Does not like the video.